Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make toffee at home without condensed milk. First, gather your essential ingredients: 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of unsalted butter, and a 1/4 cup of water or light corn syrup. Combine these in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Also, prepare a baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper or a silicone mat, as this will be where your delicious toffee cools. Begin heating your mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously to prevent burning. A candy thermometer is crucial here. It ensures your toffee reaches the perfect consistency. Continue cooking until the mixture hits exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. This precise temperature is key for that classic brittle texture we all love. Once your toffee reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat. Quickly stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a rich aroma. If you like, fold in about 1 cup of chopped nuts, such as almonds or pecans, for added crunch. Immediately pour the hot mixture onto your prepared baking sheet, spreading it evenly with a spatula. Let the toffee cool completely on the baking sheet, which usually takes at least 1 hour. Once fully hardened, you can easily break it into delightful, irregular, bite-sized pieces. This delicious treat is perfect for sharing or enjoying yourself. Store your homemade toffee in an airtight container at room temperature to maintain its crispness. Also, check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.